Look who I found in my kitchen. Some of these super cool. I'll get a video of him. Oh, this green fang. So cool this spider is. Hey, you were in my kitchen. Yeah, you were. I really like you, but... Oh, jeez. Not on the camera. He is. He's on the camera. Well, he wants to be on a beehive, I know. So I'm going to take him over here in the bee yard. And jump onto that beehive. Go. Go, buddy. You're on the camera, I know. Yeah, there it goes. Now, there. See, you want to be out here in the bee yard, I know. There you go. We'll hide under that beehive. Don't need to be in my kitchen. Not Sandy. I don't need that spider in the kitchen. He does much better. There he goes, right under the cover. They love to be by the bees. And that's a big beehive to be with. They eat hive beetles, I know. The bees don't bother them. Eventually they do eat bees, but not enough to hurt the bees, that's for sure. Here's one of this piece of bee bread I had in there. You even let the spiders come in sometimes. But we take them back out.